it is a weekday, hence the beach being a little bit empty, so that's all right. And apparently, according to the sign there, Birdie Beach, 250 metres north over there, that's the Nudist Beach. So if you're into nudist bathing, this is one of the legal nudist beaches here in New South Wales, 250 metres north. So over there you can swim nude. Not that I would be doing that, it wouldn't be a pretty sight, and plus it'd be very cold. But look at this, this is Birdie Beach here on the Central Coast, and whoa. As you can see, all the tankers out there, just an endless procession, just endless, never stops. Righto, I'm coming up to the nudist section of the beach, and as you can see, it doesn't seem to be many people here because it is winter, it is cold, but look at this beach. Whoa, coming here in summer, mate. Whoa. Yes, we can see the Nora Head Lighthouse in the distance there, and it is truly a place to visit for sure. There is a camping ground somewhere down over there, but mate, nobody around. It's just me and the beach. How cool is that? There's just so many beaches around here. Wow. We're going to continue on with our exploration of the Central Coast. We shall make our way down the coast a bit